All right, let's dive into the Lucky Leads AI software. I'm going to show you how to leverage the power of AI and automations to really streamline and manage your business. Software is for you. There are a ton of features in here. Try not to get overwhelmed. I'll show you the most important ones. And if you have more questions, you can always book a demo call below this video. Let's dive into the Conversations tab. And this is really where you can integrate all your methods of communication: text, email, Instagram, Facebook Messenger from your Facebook page. The benefit here is really having it all in one place. That way you don't have to log into your Instagram to message people back, prospects that are hitting you up on Instagram or prospects that are messaging your Facebook page. You can set up automations to respond to someone. Let's say someone messages you on Facebook Messenger. We have, as you can see here, Facebook Message. We have automations will be set up that we can handle this conversation and really turn it into an appointment. Okay, you can see by the icon that is a Facebook Messenger. You can see by this icon it is Instagram. This one here is email. Okay, all in one place. Just right there, you're replacing any kind of type of email software, MailChimp, that costs money in and of itself. Okay, so consolidating everything and keeping it in one place. The other aspect is your GMB chat. Maybe you don't know about this. A lot of business owners don't. When you set it up, and we help you set it up, you will have a message functionality right there that when people search your business, they search up your Google profile, they will have the ability to message you. This is a huge way to capture leads. A lot of people are missing this. When you do set it up, it will pull in right here and you can respond to them. That way you don't have to log into your Google account. You don't have to log into Instagram or Facebook, all in one place. All right. Now let's dive into the AI booking bot. One of my favorite aspects, right? Let's say you have a lead. A lead comes in, whether that's your website, whether it's GMB chat or it's a Facebook ad or an Instagram ad. They want to book an appointment, right? This is the first message that it'll send to them. Say, hey, Batman, this is all based on your name. So it'll say your name and then who you're from, what business you're from. So, hey, this is Adam from Lucky Fitness. Saw you're interested in our program, but you didn't book a call. Want to see what times I have available for a quick chat. The prospect says yes, sure, yeah, any positive intent. The AI will respond. Great, here's some available days. It'll give them options based on your calendar availability. If the prospect will choose a day, the AI will respond with some openings on the calendar, some specific times. Prospect will choose a time. AI will say, yes, that's available. Should we book for Thursday at March 23rd? If they say yes, boom, now they're going to get put on an appointment reminder campaign that's going to send them a message, a text message, and an email right away, and then 24 hours before the appointment, then 1 hour before the appointment. Now, this is already all set up for you. This is a pre-built template. We have another thing called text to callback. Okay, let's say someone calls you on your business and you don't answer the phone, right? If you don't answer the phone, they're going to call the next gym until someone answers and connects with them. So what happens is if someone calls and you miss, because this does have phone call capabilities, you can call right in the app on the desktop. This also has a phone app. So if you're out and about, you can use your phone, user-friendly phone app, and you can call from the app, you can text from the app, schedule from the app. It'll send them an automated message. Hey, thanks for calling Lucky Fitness. Sorry I missed your call. How can I help you? Right? Now you're establishing a connection, and they can just turn that missed call into a text conversation. Pretty cool. Okay, here we have the opportunities tab. This is your sales pipeline management. You need to be able to manage your leads. If you're getting hundreds of leads per month and you're following up manually, that's just a quick recipe to let the leads slip through the cracks and forget who you're following up with and all that. So we have this already built for you. Any leads that come into your website will populate here. Any social media leads will populate here. If they schedule an appointment, it'll automatically move them here. If they need to reschedule, then you can just drag and drop over here. If they don't show up to their appointment, you can drag them here, and that will trigger a sequence of text messages. Say, hey, you missed your call. You can even drop a voicemail. Say, hey, whatever you want to say with the voicemail, and it'll drop straight to their phone. Plus text messages. Once again, this is pre-built for you. It'll follow up and try to get them to rebook. Okay, if they show up, Drag them over here. That will also trigger another automation. If they sign up, boom. So that is the opportunities pipeline. The other cool thing here is when you sign up a deal, all right, you sign up a deal, you drag them right here to one, and that is going to keep all of your metrics tracked. Okay, because what happens here is you go in and you put the value, whatever you sign them up on. Boom. You can also keep notes on the prospect. That way you know what your last conversation was with them. You know how to follow up. Everything's organized and in one place. Now you're not missing leads. Leads aren't slipping through the cracks. Everything is streamlined and efficient when it comes to your sales process. Okay, let's talk about the calendars. All right, maybe you've heard of Acuity or Calendly. This software also replaces that. Okay, you can have a calendar for your phone orientation. These are all pre-built in here for you. Okay, your in-person calendar or free 7-day voucher. Let's go check it out. What does it look like? Looks pretty good. Gives them a short description. And this is also what the AI is going to work from. Okay, your availability. You can set up all of your settings and what your availability is. All right, we have a ton of pre-built, done for you landing pages that have been proven to convert as well. This is the main one we use for any type of paid ads, because when you launch ads, it's going to go to a lead form, and then the lead form is going to send them to this page here, and it's all ready for you to rock and roll. Let's take a look at automations now. This is the fun stuff. This is where you get those automated text messages and the AI booking bot. It's going to work for you. For example, one of the automations is, let's say someone fills out the lead form, but they don't book a call. They're going to get messages for like 10 days straight to get them to try to book a call. You can edit this however you see fit. You just go down to automations, click the workflow. These are called workflows. And this is one I can just give you an example to show you kind of how it works. This will create an opportunity. That means it will add them to the sales pipeline I showed you earlier. You can assign it to a user. If you have a sales team, you can make sure it's assigned to the proper person. Then you have it wait a couple minutes. And then you have the AI reach out. You can customize the message here. Boom. If they don't book, 2 hours again, it'll send out another message. And then you can get really fancy and make a multi-day. And this is why it's pre-built. We build all this out for you. You can come in here and make edits as you see fit. Right? You can make sure they get emails and text messages, voicemail drops. Very good stuff. Top of the line technology when it comes to following up and building out automations. Another cool part of the workflow here is we add in here is a Google review campaign. Okay, it's important to get your 5-star reviews because that's going to help your SEO on Google, help you get ranked on the first page of Google. So one of the ways we automate this is back in the opportunities pipeline. Whenever you drag them down to the green box and you close the deal, what's going to happen is it's going to send them a quick message and email right away. Well, it's actually triggered to send 7 days after they sign up, right? That way they have a little bit of experience with your business, but it's still fresh in their mind. It'll send them a text and an email requesting them to leave a review. So that's the review functionality. That's one of the automations I just wanted to touch on before we move on. So the next feature here is leveraging AI. That's that open AI. Maybe you heard of ChatGPT. Now we have it integrated right in the dashboard. So if you want to help writing content, you want help writing Twitter ideas, generate an article, coming up with a product name. If you want help generating keywords, you can do that. Maybe you want to write a description for your product or a job description. You can literally find it all here. I'll show you how it works. Let's say you want to write a quick Facebook ad. I'll put in some info. So we have a Fit Over 40 program. You write in what your product or service does. The description says we help women over 40 get in the best shape of their life. Boom. And it spits out some great ad copy to help generate some good ideas. And you can take this, tweak it. The point is now you don't ever have to struggle with a writer's block, right? So this is here for you. You get unlimited. You can use it as much as you'd like. All right, next up, we have the social media planner. It's one of my favorite aspects. You can literally connect your Facebook, Instagram, GMB, or LinkedIn, Twitter, and TikTok, and you can save time by scheduling posts. So you can literally, once you set it up, I haven't set up this account, but you can create a post. You can use the content generator over here to help you come up with some ideas. And then you literally post it right here and you can schedule it. You can sit down for an hour, schedule your whole week of content. Don't even think about it. It'll automatically get posted every single day of the week. Now you're building relationship with your audience. You're building that know, like, and trust factor. You're building a brand. Boom. So that is the social media planner. You can also create emails here. You can create newsletters. We also have a university tab where we are giving you the training. We want to show you exactly how to use all of this. We go in depth on each feature in the software so that you can have the hands-on training step by step and you can get it done. Not only that, we're not going to just give you the course. We are going to provide support, right? We have world-class support by email and by this tab here. You just put your name in, boom, put your request, click send. My team is on it Monday through Friday. At the moment, those are our work hours at the time of this recording. We will have 24/7 at some point, but at the moment, it's Monday through Friday, 9 to 5, and we guarantee a response within 24 hours. Okay, so that is the final aspect of the demo. There's other features here, but I think I've covered enough. We're 20 minutes in. If you've made it this far, congratulations. If you do have more questions, you can book a call below. Or if you want to get started, just go to the pricing tab, get started, fill out the order form, and you'll be able to schedule your onboarding call. You do get 2 1-hour onboarding calls. We're not just going to leave you up to your own device. Here's the software, here's the course. No, we want to onboard you. We want to make sure you are onboarded correctly. We get everything integrated and set up, ready for you to launch, hit the ground running. Super excited to see you on the other side.